Australia is a continent situated in the southern hemisphere, bordered by the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Its strategic location provides convenient access to Asian markets. Australia serves as a gateway for international businesses expanding into the Asia-Pacific region. Australia's stable economy, transparent tax system, and skilled workforce attract foreign investment. The Australia-India Comprehensive Economic Cooperation Agreement, AI-SECA, enhances economic partnerships. AI-SECA facilitates trade and strengthens economic ties between Australia and India. Forming a company in Australia provides benefits such as 100% foreign ownership and limited liability protection. Australian company formation offers strong intellectual property protection and access to free trade agreements. Main company types include private limited, Pty Ltd, public limited, limited, branch offices, and representative offices. Company formation begins with selecting a business structure, often a private limited company, Pty Ltd for foreign investors. Key steps include reserving a unique company name via ASIC Connect and appointing at least one Australian resident director. Registration with ASIC provides an Australian company number, ACN, followed by ABN and TFN registration, and GST registration if turnover exceeds AUD 75,000. Australian corporate tax includes a 25% rate for base rate entities and 30% for other entities. Goods and services tax, GST, is levied at 10% on most goods and services in Australia. Dividend withholding tax is 30%, potentially reduced under double taxation agreements. The Sydney Opera House is a world-famous architectural landmark. The Sydney Harbour Bridge offers panoramic views of Sydney's skyline and harbour. The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system, teeming with diverse marine life. Uluru, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the spiritual heart of Australia and holds deep significance for Aboriginal people. The Great Ocean Road features the 12 Apostles, offering a scenic coastal drive with iconic rock formations. The Blue Mountains showcase stunning cliffs, waterfalls, and significant Aboriginal cultural sites. Australia combines world-class business infrastructure with extraordinary natural beauty. This integration allows for combining business visits with unforgettable travel experiences. The business and tourism sectors mutually benefit, supporting a vibrant economy. Meenysa International assists clients with company incorporation, resident director services, and tax support in Australia and the Asia-Pacific region. Services include ABN, TFN, and GST registrations, along with bank account opening assistance and annual compliance. Before incorporating, verify state and local regulations, secure a resident Australian director, and confirm name availability on the ASIC portal.